To add favorites in Yardi Voyager, start by logging into your Yardi Voyager account and navigating to the dashboard. Once you are logged in, locate the navigation menu and click on the Favorites tab. If you do not see the Favorites tab, you may need to click on the More menu to access it. Next, click on the Add Favorite button to create a new favorite. A new window will open where you can enter the name and description of your favorite. Choose a name that is descriptive and easy to remember, as this will help you to quickly identify the favorite in the future. In the URL field, enter the exact URL of the page you want to add as a favorite. You can copy and paste the URL from the address bar of your browser to ensure accuracy. If you want to add a favorite to a specific report or page, navigate to that page and copy the URL before returning to the Add Favorite window. After entering the name, description, and URL, click the Save button to add the favorite to your list. Your new favorite will now be displayed in the Favorites tab, where you can easily access it by clicking on the name. To organize your favorites, you can create folders by clicking on the New Folder button. Give your folder a descriptive name and then drag and drop your favorites into the folder. This will help you to keep your favorites organized and easy to find. Best practice is to regularly review and update your favorites to ensure they are still relevant and useful. You can edit or delete favorites by clicking on the Edit or Delete buttons next to each favorite. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively use the Favorites feature in Yardi Voyager to streamline your workflow and improve your productivity.